Hello everyone, I am Rohit from FGP Polytechnic. I am a second year student. I did computer training from Techpile. This is the best training company. I did lots of knowledge in lockdown from Techpile teachers and especially get the knowledge by rounds and the payment with the knowledge about lots of programming language like the Python, Java, Android. I did choose the one languages with the Python. By using Python, I did completed a web page with the name of desired card, the full dynamically web page. So this is my index page, and when the next project click the name project, and if you want to any product purchasing now, then you click order button and then you view a product. You can see, then you click of order now button and your order is confirmed. If you want to see your order, then you my order click your product see here, and if you if you want to update your profile, you can click on button edit profile and choose the any picture, then and update this profile updated. And this is your customer support. This is the customer support. This is and message sent successfully. If you want to contact with desired card branch, then you can contact info and contact customer support. This is a login page with my database, and this is a feedback page. And if you want to choose pixel, you can choose then feedback. And this is my sign up page. I read the name of Rohit Singh and the email ans123@gmail.com and phone number 6 on time, I think, and you can choose the image and your password and the message. You can choose whatever and register now. Not because I'm using the address, and now you are registered. And you can see login page means using the username and password. If you want to any new product adding in your men's product, then you can see a product click button. To category choose men's and subcategory choose jacket, jeans, name your fashion, your choice, and price is written that, and this price is 100 and size and color you can green, and description whatever, and choose image, any actions choose image means as using this image, and okay, and I'm saving this. After saving, then now you can see this project with the editing now. You can see this project in men's project, and jeans. This is the project. So this is a fully dynamically web page and here in Django. So I thank you for the Techpile company, and especially Rahul's current API man who is getting more knowledge and taking